Product from Costco. This is our second Roomba, but this time this one has a canister. Okay, let's take it out from the box. Okay, so anything you buy from Costco, I suggest don't throw out the box because you'll never know, right? So you might return it. So this one is first time we're gonna have this one is the Roomba i4 Plus. So it's just a very straightforward unboxing. Okay, so I would imagine this is the waste bin, like that. I won't settle for anything less. iRobot is the best. We've tried it. We had ours 2 robots and this is our 3rd. Okay, so what's in the box? This canister, some accessories, the battery and all, like a filter. And there's nothing in here. Yeah, it's just a box. And then this one is the actual robot. So I don't have a knife, I'm going to use my car key. Oh, come on. Car key. Okay. Oh, rubbish. Okay. There'll be a quick unboxing of the Roomba i4 Plus. Don't settle for anything less, only the best. And that's the Roomba. That's the actual machine, the robot. Okay, so that sits like that, and then you have to you don't have to empty the bin. It'll last for good 30 days, and here are just some instructions on how to use it, and I'm gonna work on this one. That's basically it. Thanks.